Pakistani media has reported that during the ongoing visit of Pakistan's foreign minister to the United States, the U.S. Secretary of State Tony Blinken had refused to hold a meeting with Pakistan's foreign minister, citing a busy schedule. This comes after recent statement by the Pakistani foreign minister that Pakistan will not allow the US to establish any American military base inside Pakistan. At a time when India is looking to procure 30 Predator drones from the US, Pakistan's foreign ministry's think tank has also said that the sale of 30 American drones to India will create severe security implications for Pakistan along the line of control and for its sea, land and air defenses. The Indian government's approval for the 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet program was supposed to come in the first half of this year, and as per latest reports, the approval will now come by the end of third quarter of this year, by September. The Aeronautical Development Agency has sought 15,000 crore rupees for the project cost and manufacturing of the first 2 technology demonstrators and few more prototypes. The Indian Air Force will be procuring AMCA in 2 phases, 40 AMCA Mark I fighters in IOC configuration powered by American F-414 engines that will enter service from 2032, and 80 AMCA Mark II fighters with FOC configuration powered by new indigenously manufactured 110 kN thrust engines that will enter service from 2035 onwards. The Aeronautical Development Agency is using the seed money cleared for the development of the Naval Tejas Mark I for the design and development of the TEDBF program, and it is estimated that around 13,000 crore rupees have been asked by the Aeronautical Development Agency for the development of the first 2 prototypes of the TEDBF by 2026, that will enter production by 2030. Iran has launched a new long-endurance UAV yesterday that looks quite similar to the American MQ-9B and has an impressive endurance of 35 hours and a service ceiling of 35,000 feet. It has an operational radius of 500 kilometers for reconnaissance and surveillance, and can carry 13 precision-guided munitions. Poland has also announced the purchase of 24 Turkish Bayraktar TB2 drones, making it the first NATO member to purchase Turkish unmanned aerial vehicles. China has not just built drones for its military, but has also exported 163 long-endurance UAVs to 13 countries including Pakistan. India's Rustom-2 medium-altitude long-endurance drone was scheduled to conduct a flight test for more than 18 hours at a height of over 27,000 feet in April, and the plan was to increase the endurance closer to 24 hours at 30,000 feet in the next few tests, and currently the developmental trials are expected to be completed by the end of 2021. The Swift UCAF technology demonstrator is also scheduled to conduct its first flight in mid-2021, and based on the results, the Cabinet Committee on Security can approve the ORA UCAF program by the end of 2021. Bharat Earth Movers Limited has unveiled a couple of new generation high-mobility vehicles concepts that can be used to carry troops, missiles, radars and other military hardware. The design features improved rugged design with radiator grille and bumper grille pattern for better cooling intake, as well as additional light provision for complete frontal visibility. This assumes significance for the company, as most of the vehicles supplied by the company to the Indian military are licensed from other original equipment manufacturers. The National Aerospace Laboratories have submitted a proposal for the development of 90-seater new generation regional transport aircraft by 2025 and is currently awaiting approval from the Prime Minister's office. The RTA 90 will have both turboprop and turbofan variant, and a total of 7 developmental models will be constructed in various configurations with engines from different vendors to attract different civilian operators in India, and a military variant has also been planned for troop transportation duties. National Aerospace Laboratories has also started discussions with global engine and avionics manufacturers such as Pratt & Whitney and General Electric for the supply of off-the-shelf critical components for the program. India's RTA-90 aircraft will compete with Bombardier-developed Q400 turboprop aircraft, which has already grabbed 600 orders from various operators worldwide, and 50 units from SpiceJet Limited based in India.
Omar dropped it.